Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to delete or remove a drive partition on Windows 11 using command prompt. For this, first right click on this one start button and then type here CMD. In the search results, right click on this one command prompt entry and select here run as administrator. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. Once command prompt opens with administrative privilege, you need to issue a few commands that you can find in this video description. First one command is diskpart. After typing this one diskpart, press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to the diskpart prompt. Here you need to type list volume and then press enter on the keyboard. This will show all the partitions, drive letters and size. You can recognize your drive you want to delete using its size or volume name. Note down the volume name. In my case, I want to delete this one volume number 2. So the next command will be you need to issue here select volume and then volume number 2. In my case, you need to replace this one volume number, this one number 2 with your drive letter. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will select particular volume on your PC. Then issue the command delete volume. This command will delete the particular volume or partition from your Windows 11 PC. Just type delete volume and press enter on the keyboard and you can see the command has been successfully completed. That means this one volume 2 has been deleted. To confirm it, again issue the command list volume and press enter on the keyboard and you can see here volume 2 is missing in my PC that I have already deleted. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.